In discussions about parking lots, attention inevitably turns to the barrier gates at entrances and exits. What challenges are they currently grappling with? Issues such as slow response times, malfunctions, and excessive noise have long plagued the daily operation and management of barrier gates. Hikvision's 30 series barrier gates utilize DC motor technology to enhance transmission response efficiency, precisely control gate movement, reduce maintenance costs, and minimize disturbance to the surrounding environment, resulting in commendable overall performance and stable quality. Let's examine the barrier gate components. Boom pole, spring, control box, power supply, and mechanical structure. The control box commands the motor, which raises and lowers the boom pole, while the spring helps balance torque. They work together to ensure stable, low-noise operation. The installation of barrier gates at parking lot requires comprehensive consideration of factors such as traffic volume, space constraints, and construction stability. Thanks to its versatile and flexible design, Hikvision's 30 series barrier gates can meet the needs of different scenarios, with various options for boom pole types and lengths. Examples include octagonal pole, telescopic pole, anti-collision pole, folding pole, and LED strip pole. These diverse product types enable easy adaptation to narrow spaces or high-traffic public entrances and exits. The safe operation of barrier gates is crucial for users to address sudden situations such as impact or unauthorized entry. Hikvision's 30 series barrier gate systems are equipped with a series of safety measures. 1. Auto rebound. When the motor detects a change in current, it avoids collisions with vehicles. 2. Anti-fall. If pedestrians or vehicles enter while the pole is falling, the radar detects it and controls the gate to quickly raise the pole, thus preventing injury. In some cases, issues may arise where the barrier gate fails to open. Simply use the remote controller provided in the package to easily address this situation. Furthermore, the design of LED strip lights provides visual indications of the gate status to drivers, enhancing passage safety. For example, pole not raised, LED strip remains solid red, reminding to avoid entry. Pole raised, LED strip turns green, indicating passage is allowed. 30 series barrier gates can assist in the management of various parking lot entrances and exits, providing strong support for the stable operation of the system.